What's going on, guys? So we're working on the Blazer today. Actually, we'll be working on this exactly is the hood latch. The hood latch does not work anymore very well. Let's see. She gets very stuck. I don't know why. I think it's a spring, but we're gonna start with we're gonna be replacing this guy here. See if it's just a little dirty in it. As you're gonna see, well, not really see, I'm gonna put the camera down, but you really gotta slam the hood, slam on it, and lift up and down. Usually, if you have two people, it's a little easier, but yeah, I don't have one person right now, so it's gonna be a little pain in the butt. So let me get it open, and then we'll look at it. So what we're gonna be replacing is this guy right here. I believe this thing's getting stuck when it opens up. So what we're gonna be doing is replacing this guy. We're taking these two bolts off here, and also we gotta get this guy off here. We gotta get him off. And also just take off that, but that just slides out. Literally just transferring this guy into there. So let's get her taken off. Alright guys, so we got everything back together. Now let's just see if this hood opens back up after I close it. Now suck if it doesn't. Watch it. Watch just make it worse and it doesn't open up ever again. You gotta play with this thing. That would suck. Alright, for the moment of truth. Hey, look at that, it worked. Alright, well she works perfectly good now. I see. Is this thing leaking antifreeze? Looks like this pipe here is leaking antifreeze. You see that? It's on top of there. So it looks like it's come from the pipe. We're gonna either tighten this pipe or I don't know. I'll look at it in a little bit. Look at it more in a little bit. No ditch project, right? So guys, just a quick video on the truck. Next part of this truck is gonna be probably doing this. Or we're gonna be doing the frame. Actually, let me just show you this piece of metal real quick. Oh, there she is. I found her. So, well, leave it right here. So, I got this piece of metal here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay this onto the frame. Pretty much just clean up the frame, grind it down. We're gonna grind this down to clean bare metal. And then we're gonna arc weld it to the frame of the truck. So, one of those two projects we're gonna be doing. Either one of the other, I don't know when, but right now I'm waiting for the quad project right now. I've been busy with that, waiting for parts for that. Also in general, I've just been running around. I actually just bought a gun, which I will show on the channel soon. And another thing, I also just got a job too, so I'll be working during the week, so it'll be a little harder to get videos out. I'm gonna constantly keep posting videos though, somehow, some way. At night, I'm gonna be working the night, like work on the quad and stuff, so we'll have that time to work on it. But other than that, guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. Leave a like on the video, guys. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.